are the MadHouse gift shop here, United. It's pretty crazy. So it's bowls too as well. These are not cheap. That's $200. All kinds of toys and stuff here. People get over. St. Patty's Day.
Jag var inte kolla över det. Ja. Du har en hel Patrik.
Det var det. $275. Not bad. We got pucks.
Yeah, I mean, I live in Highland Park right now.
We went to the other store on Michigan Avenue. This is the Bulls played last thing I lost. Team Revelia, where they make their money at and grow at. They have shoes they sell. $200 for hockey skates, $400. Rings right there. And the hockey skates. Hockey sticks. And played sticks. I do that in a while too as well, so. And all kinds of pumpkin ball stuff. It's right here in the stadium.
Oh, really?
The Bulls. They want $200 for that bad boy.
Doing some MadHouse. Local breweries.
Good.
You guys come up on the plane? I mean the train?
What's that?
You guys go up on the train?
No.
We did the train, me and my wife did.
Oh, really?
Yeah, got here, so it was fun.
Oh, wow.
It's like $100 round trip.
Oh, shit. Okay.
We leave tomorrow at 11.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the game on Thursday.
Yeah. Women's collection of stuff over here.
Blackhawks?
All kinds of stuff. You name it, they have it. The youth collection. It's our brainwashing the kids early. When, like I said before, kids get born, a nephew or something, you send that to them and say, hey, you're marrying into a Bulls or Blackhawks family. Chelios, name the back of the sweater. Rose. Oh, God, my goodness. Number one, man. Go Hawks, man. I don't see the black ones very much anymore. Those are the Sunday sweaters, Sunday jersey sweater. $225. The old Savard. Jordan still selling his stuff. $175. Yeah. Get them young when they're impressible. I got black. I have all three colors at home. No names to back my sweaters. Okay, one. They wanted $38. They wanted at the store. They wanted $45. Nice. Those are. They want $250. Get into the hats. Name it. You got it. Unlike the Cowboys, we don't get a lot of stuff for the Cowboys. It's a nice sweater. That's a nice sweatshirt right there. These are nice. $38. Blackhawks. On your anniversary. Nice. I like that. Oh, yeah. Hey. I could buy every one of those ones. 6 times Lord Stanley. Faded ones. Partner there. Well. That's a nice one right here. I'm hungry for something too. Maybe too as well. Just spending money. I'm right there. This is not something I would buy. I don't understand that. You got your beanies. Your hats. Shot glasses.
Should have grabbed that large t-shirt when I saw it. But I called Eddie to find out what's up.
Buy them online. I'm gonna buy. So that's what the sign says anyway. So we'll
Give me that.
I got it. That's all right.
Oh, it is? Never mind, it's trademark.
Here we go.
legit.